Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Facebook's 2025 updates to partnership ads bring significant improvements for brands and creators alike. This new system truly streamlines the entire workflow, making it much easier for businesses to collaborate seamlessly on branded content campaigns. You will now find enhanced transparency and clearer roles for each party involved, ensuring everyone is on the same page. This innovative approach promises more efficient ad deployments, ultimately leading to better campaign performance and stronger partnerships moving forward into the year. In the 2025 framework, the advertiser's role is to initiate the partnership and explicitly grant necessary ad permissions within their business manager. This foundational step ensures full control and oversight from the brand side. The partner, typically a creator or influencer, then focuses on crafting compelling content and submits it for the brand's approval. This clear distinction of duties minimizes miscommunication, creating a more efficient and compliant advertising ecosystem for everyone involved, building trust and ensuring brand safety. Setting up a partnership ad in 2025 begins with the brand utilizing the new Partner Request feature in Business Manager. This allows you to formally grant specific content creators permission to run ads using their organic posts. Once access is granted, the creator can then prepare their content and submit it for your review and approval. After your brand gives the green light, you can seamlessly promote these approved posts as ads directly from your own Facebook ad account, extending their reach far beyond organic engagement. A significant advantage of 2025 partnership ads is the expanded targeting capabilities available to advertisers. You can now leverage advanced audience options, including creating lookalike audiences based on the partner's engaged followers, reaching highly relevant prospects. Furthermore, brands gain access to comprehensive performance metrics, offering deep insights into how your collaborative campaigns are truly performing. These detailed analytics allow for precise optimization, helping you understand audience engagement and maximize your return on ad spend effectively. To achieve optimal results with partnership ads, prioritize clear communication and set comprehensive content guidelines with your partners from the very beginning. Regularly review your campaign performance metrics. This allows you to identify what works best, where to improve, and how to scale your most successful strategies. The future of Facebook advertising is increasingly integrated with creator collaborations, making understanding and utilizing these new partnership ad features essential for sustained brand growth and expanded reach in the digital landscape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.